In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your IRS username or password. First, go to the official IRS website and click Sign in to your online account. On the login page, select Forgot Username if you can't remember your username, or Forgot Password if your password isn't working. You'll then be prompted to verify your identity by entering your social security number, date of birth, and the email address associated with your account. Next, follow the instructions sent to your email or phone to reset your login details. Be sure to create a strong password that meets IRS security requirements and complete any multi-factor authentication steps. If you no longer have the access to your registered email or phone number, the IRS may require additional identity verification or direct you to contact support for further help. Once completed, you'll be able to log back into your IRS account and securely access your tax information.